Active Directory is a Microsoft service used to manage users, computers, printers, and security policies, all from a central location. With Active Directory, you can create users, group an OU, security policies, manage login access. In this real-world lab setup, we are going to use Windows Server 2025 Datacenter, VMware Workstation, setting a static IP, and domain name. So, let's see the installation and configuration. First, open the server. And so now start setting up IP address, and then we can change the server name, and the servers will reboot automatically. So next is, go to server network connection and add new IP address, and then default gateway, and DNS as well. Once done, click on OK and close to confirm the configuration. The next part is changing server name, and click on OK and click on Close. Server will reboot to confirm the changed. Done. So now let log in with domain administrator user and input the password, and then press enter. Click on Add Roles and Features, then click Next, and on Feature click on Active Directory Domain Service, then click on Add Features. And click on Next. Next, and tick on the box to Required Restart, and then click on Install. The installation will take few seconds. Done, and click on Close. Then click on Promote Server to Domain Controller. Select on Add a new forest to create new domain name. Then input the admin password and confirm the password, then click on Install. Click on Close to confirm finish the Promote Domain Controller process, and servers will be reboot automatically. Once server come back, log in with domain and admin user. In this stages, we can verify to ensure domain name service is proper installed. So, you can verify by just click on Tools, and click on Active Directory Users and Computers. Minimize the domain name, and in here you can try to create OUs, groups, and users as a sample. Here we are going to test create a users by input first name, last name, login, and password. Done. So the user was created, and we can try to add this user into the groups we have created earlier steps. Here, this is a group we're going to create for test scenario, and we will add the user as member of this group. And yes, we're done for create OU, create user, create groups, and add user member of the group as well. So next, we're going to validate the group policy management to ensure it was created and the default policy are in place. As you can see, the policy are proper created from our configuration. Next, we also need to validate the DNS as well to see if the DNS are proper configured. So, in here we need to manually create a revere lookup DNS zone for translate the IP to hostname. So, in here we need to input the subnet of your domain controller. If you don't see any IP was loaded into this zone, we need to validate the name server and ensure name server is correct and resolve the IP and hostname. To do this, right-click on domain name and select on properties. Then move to name server and ensure it working correctly. It's done. Now you are properly configured DNS settings, even reverse lookup zone, name server, and so on. So, once everything was done, and now we can try to join a new server into the member of this domain. By doing this, first we need to set up proper static IP, and DNS must be point to this domain controller IP. So, to join a new server into the domain, click on Workgroup and click on Member of and input the domain name and press OK. Admin credential will prompt. Please input user and password and press OK to confirm. Done. So click OK to apply the changed and servers will be reboot. Once it's back, just sign in with administrator user and password, then verify if server and the domain joined. On the domain controller and in AD tools, you will see new machine is created. Congratulations, we are done installation and configured Active Directory. We also have test, user creation, group creation, OU creation, DNS configuration. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Please hit like button and subscribe for more video.